What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm headed to Royal Cigar and Lounge. Yeah, Royal Cigar Lounge. That's what I'm headed to. There's a season opener for like a cars and coffee thing. It's not the original Cars and Coffee, but it's still a Cars and Coffee. Headed up there to go meet up with Amir, which usually sets up all the car drives and stuff like that, and Omar, which is the guy who owns the, is it matte black or satin black Huracan that you've seen in one of my previous videos. He's the owner of Royal Cigar Lounge. He also has a Ferrari F12 that I heard is crazy wild and loud as fuck. So hopefully he brings that out today. Other than that, there's gonna be lots of cars and stuff there. Got a 911 Turbo. This thing is clean. I didn't get to see this last time. Full manual. I love that flat bottom steering wheel. I know this thing sounds crazy. Then we got a Cayman S. We got the 4C, the infamous 4C with the green calipers. This thing is sick. Full carbon tub. Red interior, red Alcantara, I think that is. Hey, what's up, man? We got another 4C over there that's pulling up, which is not Tim Enthusiast Garage. We got the Ferrari over here. This thing is clean. I forgot what they call these. Ooh, gated manual. Oh, we got another Cayman here. Yellow Cayman. I think this is the police officers, one of the police officers of Columbus, Ohio. Fully manual. Cayman S, matter of fact. And we got Omar's Huracan. Then we got this. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a Fiat Diesel. Then we got the green Huracan, McLaren. Over here, Royal Cigar Lounge. Got the R8. I'm actually thinking about getting the 3rd generation R8. It's got this, oh, it's a gated manual also. It's just something, I don't know, it's like, I don't like Audis, but it's just something about an R8, like, it's a V10, well, I want the V10 version, the 3rd generation, either V10, V10 Plus. And then it's just how it sounds. And we got the Z06 over here, I believe. Yeah, Z06. Drop the top on it. We got a this is a 3.9. This is a Bumblebee pack, 6.4 Hemi. I think that's the S6. And we got the Subi over here. I like this color combo. The white with the gold wheels, green calipers. That's sick. See, I want to do something like that with the M4. We got another 12C. Oh, it's got an Akrapovic exhaust on it. Carbon fiber tips. And we got a GTR. We got the green McLaren that we seen on the road last time. Color is sick. That's Daniel right there, the 1,000 horsepower turbo. And we got a GC3 RS with the canards up front. Got some more cars that pulled up. Cigarette smoke is killing my sinuses, man. Let's get back over here. Get this green McLaren 650S. Showing it so hard, like carbon fiber, steering wheel, inserts. This thing is sick with the gold wheels, gold BBS wheels, carbon fiber lip. Oh, we got ECS tuning rotors. This thing is sick, and it sounds beastie as hell. It's got like a pearl, like a flaky pearl white, not a pearl white, but like a glossy white. This thing is sick. And we got a 911 Carrera. I think that's a regular Stingray. And we got Daniel over here with the 911. I mean, the 1,000 horsepower turbo. Got this crazy GC3 RS. I think it's like a lava orange or whatever. Thing is sick. And we got a, is that a Nismo GTR? The GTR has a fat wing on it too. Ooh. It's got some beefy tires on it. It's probably like a special edition. I don't know. But that wing is bigger than the other one I just reviewed over there. Unless it's an extended wing. This thing is sick. I kind of wish I could have got a GTR though, no lie. It's nice though. We got the infamous Boss K. Came down from Dayton with the Gallardo. This thing is sick. He said it's PPF'd and it's ceramic coated. Oh man. Huracan 777's car. This thing is clean. He just got it back. It's got the whole setup. Oh yeah. I know this thing is a beast. He got a roll cage in it. Oh yeah. Carbon fiber steering wheel, Alcantara. We got the ZL1 that's back. We got a couple guys from Dayton. We got a couple bikes here. CBR Fireblade. We got a Death Machine Busa. Nah, not mine. I can't afford that. So guess what we got access to? The GC3, I mean, no, matter of fact, I'm so fucked up right now. The 911R, about to start that up right now. So like, you just have to calm yourself. Yeah. Let me get right. My guy's gonna help me real quick. Oh man, this is dude. Oh god. Bucket seat. Bucket seat. Yes, sir. Oh, dude. Yes, sir. It's hard to get out of, first of all.
Seriously?
It's so hard to get out of.
But those seats are nice though.
Yeah. Like, it's like you're but it's like he's taller than me, so like I'm like all the way back. Dude, exactly. Like shout out to my guy over here for getting that for me.
See Live TV, man. Go check me out.
See Live TV. Oh, dude. We got Will Motivation here. Let me zoom in. He got his Huracan, supercharged Huracan. His Aventador. And then his Gallardo. Oh, the Aventador is so sick, man. Oh, that, yeah. Once he gets some wheels on this thing and a wing, oh my goodness. It'll be so crazy. The infamous Will Motivation. Checking out my car and stuff like that. But yeah, this is sick though. We got the McLaren 570 out here. We got the Urus out here. Plates too. I need to find out how to get Montana plates. For real. And we got the Urus over here. His Instagram is long train or something like that. Man, this shit's bright as hell. Fuck. These wheels. Shit's sick though. I ain't gonna hold you. Got this S63 over here. I want one so bad, yo. Look at the reflective tint. This thing is clean. What's up, man? Got Will Motivation's Aventador. Go ahead and follow him on IG and subscribe to his channel. This thing is sick. Like, dude. Full leather. Got his Huracan right here. This is Supercharged by VF Engineering. Check out the supercharger right there. This thing is sick. That wrap is crazy in person. It's like a whole different kind of look. Oh gosh. This thing is sick. And then this wrap on the Aventador is crazy too. It's like a brushed metal kind of look. Oh man. Fuck. That is so sick. Once you get some wheels on this thing, it's gonna look way cleaner. Look at that oh, look at the titanium exhaust. Look at that. Yo. That shit is so sick. That thing is clean. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I heard him open. I heard him open. Oh man, like it's just like so fucking a big ass dot. Oh man, it must be nice to have money for real. Beastie ass G-Wagon. This shit is so sick. This color combo is out of this world. I don't know if it's like a chalk and then black accents. This is sick. Got Boston wheels with the red guts. Oh dude, this combo is crazy. Carbon fiber steering wheel. Oh my gosh. Like dude. And this reflective tint that Benz does is so fucking sick. Like, I love that shit. This thing is crazy. Right beside the matte green, I guess satin green. No, this is satin green. Range. I'm about to get big copyright. This thing is sick though. Everybody loving the M4. Like, I'm still not the biggest fan, but hey, it is what it is. We got Will Motivation over there, rocking with his crew. All right, so that's the end of today's vlog, adventurous vlog. This makes two Saturdays in a row that I've met big YouTubers. last weekend was, I mean, not last weekend, but last vlog, I guess, that you guys will see. But last weekend for me was with Auto Vlog. And this weekend, what you just seen, obviously, was with Wheel Motivation. And there will be a vlog coming soon with him and his Aventador, Huracan, and Gallardo, if he still has the Gallardo. And the crazy part is he went to HU, which is crazy as fuck, because I didn't even know he went to HU until like, I mean, I started watching his vlogs even more back then, but I still didn't catch that he went to HU until I moved here. And then it's a whole bunch of stuff, but basically subscribe, like, share, comment, you know the drill.